Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing with you guys a few stuff that arrived for my unborn child. Today I'm actually 34 weeks gone. Let me show you guys my bum. I'm actually 34 weeks gone, and I thank God that the stuff that we've been ordering, they've been coming. We couldn't shop in the store because in Germany where I live there's a lockdown, so everything we are buying is online, and I thank God that they are all coming. So I'll be showing you guys what I got here. Yeah, you know, in April, that was last year, we actually sold everything concerning babies. So if my baby now decides to come now, nothing to wear, we lost our wrapper, you know, nothing in this house concerning babies, because we thought, myself and my husband, we thought we were done with child making and all that, but our own way is not the way of God. So we are planning our own thing. God was planning his own thing. So here I am again. I'm pregnant again. This is gonna be my fourth baby, number 4. So I'll be showing you guys what I got in here. Normally I go to the store to get things for my kids, but this is the first child I'm actually ordering online for. So this one came yesterday, so I'll be showing you guys what is in here. This is the receipt. It's actually my these I really need. I love using this when I'm pregnant. It helps me sleep, you know, it helps me at my back, you know. This is we call it still kissing, pregnancy or breastfeeding pillow. I don't know what it's been called in English, but this is it here. And I love this also. When the baby is there, you can actually put the baby in there. Yes, I'm sure you guys know that this is a pregnancy pillow. It's good for the mom, also good for the baby. So I'm glad this one came now, so I'll be able to sleep better. This is one, and this one I got from C&A. Still, I'm just happy that this one came now, because if this child decides to come now, my wrapper will go. If they say this, if this one haven't arrived and this child decides to come, hey, we'll tie a wrapper, because there is nothing concerning babies in this house. I tell you guys, nothing at all. Let me pull this one. These are these clothes I got. This is the receipt. So I will show you guys what I've actually got. Turn it back. So these are bodies for the child. I got about 10 pieces of it. Bodies. For the baby will wear inside. Nelly, are you serious? I'm actually here with my daughter, Emanuela. This is so cute. I just said let me try, you know, how online shopping is, but I love what I'm seeing, so I'm gonna get more, because we don't have anything at home anymore. This is beautiful. me this. Oh, I'm showing you. It's nice, huh? This is beautiful. I love the colors. I can't wait to have my baby. This is overall. This one is two in one. Mickey Mouse. This is Mickey Mouse, right?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse, okay. This is beautiful. Oh, I know feel way too. I don't tire. Oh, this is also Minnie Mouse. This is so cute. I don't regret shopping online. This is so beautiful and very easy, you know. No stress of driving to the city, walking everywhere. This is really, really cute. I love them. So guys, which one is your favorite? Which one do you like? For me, I think I love this one. I love this. This is so beautiful. I love this one so much. Can't wait to have my baby. After this one, don't close doors. And now it's cold time. So this is a wrap. This is so cute. Everything I got is nice. I love them. Got them from C&R online shopping. Since we cannot go to the stores because of the pandemic, so I got them all from the store. These are really cute stuff. So guys, we ordered a lot of things. What?
C&R has an online shop.
Yeah. I got them online. So we got a lot of things, like I told you guys earlier. There is nothing about babies in this house. So we got a lot of things. So as they are coming, I'll be showing you guys. So now I got my clothes. That means my baby will not tie wrapper again. You know, you don't get clothes where you go wear. Alright guys. So I want to say thank you. Can you imagine? I didn't even introduce myself. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Lolo Nkechi, and I say thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. And I want to say thank you to my old subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys for watching. As I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Wow, these stuffs are so beautiful. They are nice, right? Which one do you like more?